Hey guys, so today I actually got a package in the mail and I figured I'd come on video to open it and try using what I have in here for the first time with you guys. I want to start doing like short video Tuesdays, I think. Film twice a week maybe. Ooh, okay. Well, now that that's opened, I got a new set of extensions from Bellami hair. So I've already purchased extensions from this company before, and as you can see, as I have it upside down, it has this unique packaging with like this like box material that's pushed out like this, but you're supposed to open this side first and actually test this test strand on this side. So yeah, see here, there's this, oh, as it falls out, this voids warranty stickers on either side, and those have literally like a void name script on it. So if you were to tear those off, which I'll show you in a minute because I know these match, they'll be able to tell you opened them and therefore you can't return them. So always check the test strip. I do recommend that you take this, I believe it's always a 2-clip weft. Ooh, these are nice. These are a newer, thinner weft than the ones that I currently have. It feels really good. I'm actually really surprised by that. Cool. So what I would do to test the color is part it in a linear line and then clip them in. And obviously the texture isn't the same, but as you can see here, they blend pretty well. With that, I think good to open the whole set, which this is cool. This is my natural length, and this is this clipped pretty high on my head. So this is gonna hit like just past nipple length, which I'm really excited about. The curl in these is interesting. I didn't expect it to be so voluminously curled. Okay, so first and foremost, we're gonna take a little Chi 44 Iron Guard, which is a thermal protective heat spray. So you just spritz this on the hair. What I'm going to do is just take half the hair, pull it up, spritz my whole face with it. So as I was saying, when you tear this, like even if you try really carefully to tear it, like slowly peel it and everything, you end up with these little void things on it. So note that before you open anything from Bellami. It sucks to get the wrong color and then not be able to return it. And now we've got this pack, which I think the coil that these are getting are just from how they've been packaged for so long. So let's check out what clips all came in the set. So it looks like we have a pretty simple set. There's two 2-clip wefts, and there's two 3-clip wefts, and one 4-clip weft, which means the 2-clip wefts will go here, the 4-clip weft will go here around the entire head onto the sides, and then the 3s will go on the bottom. So let's just go ahead and start clipping them in and see how everything looks, and then we can style. By the way, if you guys haven't subscribed, please do so now. And if you haven't checked me out on social media, Instagram is my favorite, so I recommend you go check that out. So I'm not really going to show how I do this, but I've parted it just about at the ear, and we're going to put the first one in there. If you are interested in checking out how to clip in hair extensions, I do have an entire video on it. So I'll leave that linked right here. Ooh, I already love this length. Definitely need to style. So I might wait a second for this to heat up fully and style them as I go. I think it'll be easier with these parts and have parts in general, because once I start to put more in, I won't have the luxury of like folding my hair up like this when they're clipped in all the way. Oh, I love this length. I'm so excited for this, honestly. I've always had like 22 inches, which is like belly button length. So with obviously extensions, my natural hair doesn't grow. This is the only length I've ever had with my extension or without my extensions. I think that this is hot enough for me to curl. So like what I want to do on this is I want chunkier curls than I normally do. So I'm going to take similar sections that I normally do, but a larger wand. This is like 1/2 inch bigger than the one that I normally use. So we're going to just wrap it around and kind of twist it while we do. And I'm just going to leave it on for like 5 seconds, always away from the face on both sides. So the next one I'm going to set just above ear level. It's going to be that next 3-clip weft. This hair feels so silky. I love how smooth it is. Okay, that is the first 2 clips. Now we're going to take that 4-clip, which I want to like wrap around the head, which will help fill in the front a little bit more. I love this length on me. Oh my gosh. I think this might be my new favorite look. Okay, so that is 3 clips, which already looks so good. Okay, lastly, we're gonna try to take this really high to try to help blend the front in. You don't have to place them this close to the front of your hairline, oh my gosh, but I want this part to be filled in, so I will be doing that today. I'm nervous that this curl is gonna stay, but let's see if we can bump her out a bit. Okay, it did a little bit. I always pick up a little bit of hair on the second clip on these areas because of my cowlick. I like to make sure that this back one isn't gonna peek through. Okay, so now we're at that point where I'm gonna let the hair down and we're gonna just clean up the curls wherever we think they're needed and call it quits. I'm in love, you guys. I actually like this more than I thought I would. I actually think this length and everything is like my natural, like everyday look. Like this is how my hair should look in my head. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but like this makes me really happy. I am sad I haven't bought these length of extensions sooner. I'm just feeling my fantasy over here. So I think this actually looks really natural, and like even when you can see my little hairs from the nape of my neck, they don't look like misplaced really. What do you guys think? I hope you guys like it, and I hope you guys like this video. If you're interested in checking out Bellami, please use the link down below. I actually have an affiliate link with them. It doesn't cost you any more money, but it does help me buy a new set of extensions the next time. And if you guys are looking for extensions, I definitely recommend you check out Bellami. Their hair doesn't rat. Like I used to get like a lot of matting in my extensions, like specifically on the back of the neck with a few others. Oh my gosh, with a few other brands that I used to use. Like I've tried Luxie hair, which is another big one, and I haven't tried them recently, so I might like them more now. I'm not sure. But Bellami has never let me down. I always like their hair. So I definitely recommend you check them out. They're linked down below. And I just didn't really see any videos online about the 16-inch extensions. And I actually have a pair of 22s. If your hair is like my length and kind of feels thin to you, this is like everything and more that I could have wished for. So again, if you guys aren't subscribed, please do so now. And if you're not following me on social media, please go ahead and check me out on Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, or Facebook, whatever pleases you. And with that, I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day. And I love you all, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys. Oh, I'm so happy. I love this so much.